Hey Freedom Stackers, Freedom Stacker here. It's week 50 of the $1 weekly Ascending Challenge. And this week we're adding $50. Hey Freedom Stackers! Hey Freedom Stackers, Freedom Stacker here. Let me start by saying I'm not a financial advisor. Do not take anything that I say in this video or any of my other videos as financial advice. This is what I'm doing. This is what I am inviting you to join me in doing, so we can all save more of our money. Well, you made it. It's week 50 of the $1 weekly Ascending Challenge. And you've made it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, and this is your first video that you're seeing on this topic, go back and check out this playlist from the beginning, because this is a step-by-step weekly walkthrough in order to be able to save $1,378 in a year's time. Whether you decide to save your money in an envelope or a shoebox, or me, myself, I save mine in my Acorns account. If you don't already have an Acorns account and you'd like to open one, go ahead and use the code in any of my videos. That way it'll know that you came from me, and you'll get $5 and I'll get $5 added to my account for free. Hey Freedom Stackers, Freedom Stacker here. Well, it's week 50 of the $1 weekly Ascending Challenge. So we are going to be adding in $50 this week so that we can hit our goal of being able to save $1,378 in a year's time. So we're going to make a one-time deposit, and we're going to add in $50. And we're going to invest, confirm, and got it. Sweet. Got 2 more weeks and to be able to save our $1,378. I'm not going to lie. Towards the end of the year, it does get a little rough, but stick to it. You can do it. Only you can make your stacking goals your stacking realities. For more stacking and collecting fun like this, check out this playlist. Hit that thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do. Hit that bell. That way you'll know when my new videos come out. Hit me up through email, on Facebook or Instagram, link in my About page. And as always, keep stacking, and I'll see you in the next one.